If you're looking to build a career in AI engineering, consider this your roadmap for 2026. We're going to break down the exact steps you need to take to navigate this super exciting field. Think of this as your own personal mentorship session. So, you're about to graduate, or maybe you're just looking at your options and you see AI literally everywhere. It feels like this giant wave of opportunity, right? But let's be honest, it can also feel pretty overwhelming. Like, where do you even begin? Well, that is exactly why we're here. We're going to break it all down for you, not by trying to learn everything at once, but by building your future one essential step at a time. So let's start with the most fundamental question of all. Okay, first things first, let's get crystal clear on what an AI engineer actually does. This is a really crucial distinction, and it's going to shape your entire learning journey. So here's the main difference. An AI researcher, they're kind of like a scientist in a lab, dreaming up new models and pushing the boundaries of AI theory. But an AI engineer, well, you're the builder. You get to take those powerful, existing models and apply them to solve real-world problems. It's all about practical, hands-on work that makes things better for people. All right, now that we know the what, let's dive into the how. What are the absolute must-have skills you need to build a solid foundation as an AI engineer heading into 2026? And here's some good news for you. You don't need to be an encyclopedia of every AI tool out there. No way. The industry is looking for people who deeply understand the core components, the ones we're about to cover. The key is to focus your energy on mastering these fundamentals first. Everything starts right here. Prompt engineering is basically how you talk to AI models. It's like learning the language of AI. If you can master this skill, you can guide a model to give you exactly what you need, which makes it the bedrock of almost every single AI application you're ever going to build. Next up, vector databases. Okay, stick with me here. Imagine trying to find a book in a library based on its meaning, not just its title or author. That's what these databases do for AI. They store information as concepts, which lets an AI find the most relevant data incredibly fast. This is absolutely essential for building smart, context-aware apps. So, how do we make AI even smarter and more reliable? That's where RAG comes in. It's this awesome technique that lets an AI model look up information from an external source, like one of those vector databases, before it gives you an answer. This grounds the AI's response in specific, accurate, up-to-date facts, and it stops it from just making things up. Okay, you've got the core skills down. Now, how do you actually prove it to employers? Let's talk about building some tangible projects that are going to make your portfolio really stand out. Here is your starter pack. And hey, notice the pattern here? These projects use the exact skills we just talked about. Building a custom Q&A bot, that uses RAG. Creating a semantic search engine, that uses vector databases. A recommendation system, that uses embeddings. See? These aren't just random exercises. They are direct proof to an employer that you can use core AI concepts to build something valuable. Look, the world of AI moves incredibly fast, but staying current doesn't have to be some huge chore. The real key is just building a simple, consistent habit of exploration. Think of this as your weekly AI workout. Spend a little time on a site like Hugging Face and just see what new models are popping up. Pick one new tool or SDK to play with, just to see how it works. This small, consistent effort is what will keep you on the cutting edge and build your expertise over time. It's all about curiosity, not cramming. And if you ever have one of those days where you wonder if this path is really worth it, just remember this. The demand isn't just growing, it's accelerating. Every single industry is looking for people with these exact skills to build the next generation of everything. you are positioning yourself right at the heart of that transformation. So the roadmap is laid out. You know the role, you know the core skills, and you know how to prove you have them. The only question left is the most exciting one. What are you going to build first?